Assalamualaikum, Doctor. And we are from Group 2, and we will be presenting about our final project, which the title is pH Sensor Detector for Water Quality Monitoring. Here is the list of our team members and their metric number: Alif Nabil Izzuddin bin Badrisham 210277, Nur Soleha Srinilam bin Tudinwan 212973, and Ahmad Syamil Azhari bin Zainuddin 210167.
Assalamualaikum and good evening, Doctor. My name is Ahmad Syahli Azhari bin Zainuri and my flight number is 210167. So I will give a brief explanation of our introduction for our project, the pH water sensor. So basically, the pH water sensor will be used to determine pH of the water. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic the water is, ranging from 0 to 14. Neutral gives us the value of 7, and pH of less than 7 indicate acidity, while pH of greater than 7 indicate basic or alkali. To, uh, a pH sensor assists in determining whether the water is basic or acidic in an environmental context. The changes in pH values can serve as an early warning sign of rising pollution levels and declining water quality. So this will help us to see if the water is good or polluted, so we can prepare for solution to overcome the problem early. So the end of our introduction is the pH of water is a very important measurement concerning water quality. So that is all from me. We're going to the next slide with Soleha.
My name is Nur Saleha Sirnilam and I will present the system architecture and the software flowchart of our project. For our project, we are using 3 LEDs with different color to indicate the pH value of the water. The first LED with the color red will switch on when the water is acidic and the pH value is less than 7. The second LED or with green color will switch on when the water is neutral and the pH value is equal to 7. The third LED, blue LED, will switch on when the water is alkaline and the pH value is greater than 7. For our project, we also use potentiometer to modify the value of resistor, in which the voltage drop across the resistor will act as the pH value of water. Next, we can see the block diagram of our project consisting of 3 modules, including circuit analysis, microprocessor, and digital circuit. Moving on, I will explain about the software flowchart of our project. First, the program will start, and then we move the value 7 into register AX. Then we compare the input value with register AX, which will produce either 3 conditions. The first condition is when input value is less than 7. Then it will print 2 string to indicate that the water is acidic. The next condition is when the input value is equal to 7. It will print 2 string line that will indicate that water is neutral. The last condition is when the input value is greater than 7. 2 line will be printed to indicate that the water is alkaline. And then the program will end.
So, Assalamualaikum, Doctor. I am Alif Nabil Izzuddin bin Badrisham with metric number 210277, and I will be explaining about the source code for our project. So, when we compile and run the program, it will run to the main function. And what the main function will do, it will accept an input from the pH sensor and move the input into the accumulator register. And then the program will do a comparison operator where we will compare the value inside the accumulator and the value of 7 to indicate whether the input is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. Then, if the value is less than 7, we will jump to the function less than, and it will print the water pH level is less than 7, and then it will classify the water as acidic. If the value inside the accumulator is equals to 7, it will jump to the function equal, and it will print the string water pH level is equal to 7, and it will classify the water as neutral. Last but not least, if the input in the accumulator is more than 7, it will jump to the function more than, and it will print the print string water pH level is more than 7, and it will classify the water as alkaline. After the after the program done with the comparator operation, it will jump to the done function and it will exit the program.